This video will study the social and environmental impacts of emerald mining. In the first place, we'll explain what is emerald mining.
The emerald mining is the process in which the emeralds are extracted from the earth so then they can be treated and polished to sell and export them. The process of emerald exploitation is compounded by a series of difficult activities that require an intense effort and dedication. First of all, it is needed to define where the mine is going to be settled and install near it a camp where the miners are going to live and where the equipment and tools are going to be prepared for the operation of the mining. After that, the process of drilling and exploitation takes place so that the material that remains can be carried out. Then ventilation, lighting, drain and fortifications are installed so that miners can start working. When the material is outside, it is selected and cleaned to be able to observe the presence of emeralds. The particular emerald mine that we are studying is owned by WR Construcciones. It is a mine title that is located in the municipalities of Ubalá and Gachalá in Cundinamarca. They are approximately 120 kilometers to the east from Bogotá.
Hechos directamente, ¿sí?
Igual el mismo, digamos, en esa mina.
En esa mina hay una quebrada cerca, el cual se dispone ahí después de ser tratado. La naturaleza como tal también pues tiene sus recursos, se oxigena el agua con las rocas cuando van cayendo y ella misma pues también va purificando, ¿sí? Pero otra parte pues, como te decía, hay un movimiento de tierras, también va a empezar a salir tierra del socavón, el cual se va a disponer. Entonces, cómo se colocan cercas vivas, o sea, arbolitos y cosas así para evitar el impacto visual también, porque una cosa, pues cuando llegamos estaba todo verdecito, todo como la naturaleza lo da.
Now, there are different forms to obtain emeralds. The reason for this is that the gemstones are often located in less valuable rocks that make difficult the separation. In addition to this, the emeralds are found near Earth's surface, but knowing the exact place where they are is very difficult, which makes forms of mining really expensive. A company can collect emeralds in three ways. The first one is terrace mining, the second one, the open pit mining, and the third one is the tunnel mining. The difference between these three types of mining are that, first, terrace mining consists on the creation of a hole approximately 12 meters deep into the mountain. Steps and benches are often located parallel to the pit all the way to the bottom. Benches are also used as exploration spots or to put away waste rock. Second, open pit mining is a similar way to collect the gemstones. It consists on the formation of a pit 12 meters deep into the surface of Earth. This type of mining has less visual contamination due to the fact that most of the holes done have a much smaller diameter. The problem with this type of mining is that you have to blast water through the pit in order to reveal the rocks that have the emeralds. Also, a lot of waste rock has to be hauled away, and heavy equipment that damages the ecosystem is used. Last, tunnel mining is a way in which the company digs a tunnel through the surface of a mountain to a vein of emerald-bearing rock. This is the most eco-friendly type of emerald mining, but it is also the most expensive one. We're going to explain why tunnel mining is the best type of mining to find emeralds, and why should every company use it. For instance, tunnel mining requires a lot of research done by geologists and biologists in order to find the exact place where the vein of emerald-bearing rock is located. This study consists in finding the types of soil and vegetation that characterize the place where emeralds are. This means that the tunnel is way smaller than the pit done in terrace and open pit mining. Also, it means that the damage to the ecosystem decreases when tunnel mining is done. In addition to this, because of the amount of research needed, governmental agents have more regulation on this type of mining and its implication. This is why companies have to build ecological corridors in order to save the ecosystem. Also, there is no use of heavy equipment and it involves less use of water. Finally,
en esta explotación es una mina de esmeraldas, ¿sí? Las minas de esmeraldas en Colombia, básicamente el proceso de explotación es por socavón, o sea, haciéndole un hueco a la montaña y con el comportamiento de los estratos, de la estratigrafía, se explora o se dice cómo es el desempeño para coger un camino y empezar a buscarlas y encontrarlas. Ese es el título, lo adjudicaron allá en ese sitio, pero el plan de manejo ambiental, que es el que regula el tipo de explotación, se dio de esa forma. Antiguamente tengo entendido que los daban con una explotación que se hace o que se llama a cielo abierto. A cielo abierto quiere decir utilizando equipos como bulldozers, excavadoras y revolcando la tierra y haciendo un daño ambiental muy grande. Tengo entendido que ahora ese tipo de explotación esos permisos no se dan. Entonces los permisos que está concediendo el Estado es haciendo un hueco, abriendo una bocamina y buscando de acuerdo y sacando los materiales estériles, y de acuerdo con la estratigrafía se diseña un plan para buscarlos y encontrarlos. Es la forma como se hace menos daño ambientalmente.